Station 101.
Never on time, the music's on all day. You'll be going them with Nazi dread. White on white sticks, baggy jeans, got that green stone around your neck. I came from the 183, so I know a little bit about Fresh D. Yes, we keep rapping and rocking that Fresh D's. Jeans cut with socks and jandals. Aloha shirt, be the formal dress standard. Spot the police from a mile away, and you know they're coming when you hear this play. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. You're so fresh, so I want to know if you're down. Cause if you are, then let that hair down, baby. I wanna know. Got 2 Fridays on that $1 bread. Street Fighter 2, where my money spent. The brothers roll past, kickers on full blast. Everybody go. Recording on my head. Never on time, the music's on all day. You'll be going them with Nazi dread. White on white sticks, baggy jeans, got that green stone around your neck.
What you know about FOB? Talo manioca and LUCP. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the Sunday feed. 2-minute noodles and a fry on beef for the rest of the week. That's all there is. Go to school and scab up the rest of the kids. If they bust money home for their $1 chips, if you don't walk it off, it goes straight to the hip.
Never run my day by time. I run my time, but the change is sky. I run my time, let my appetite. Coke in the pies, what we call fine dine. Stuffy craze to Sandring Ham, California, down to Japan. It's the real McCoy making all that noise, more 5 than Fallout Boy.
Never on time, the music's on all day. You'll be going them with Nazi dread. White on white sticks, baggy jeans, got that green stone around your neck. So what we gonna do right here, we gonna school you on what we call the ways of the freshman. Use your one-on-one if you will. So if you feeling what we saying, let me know. Join it.
Bounce on that 2 and 4, don't clap on that 1 and 3. You have your cappuccino, we on that cup of tea. Be rude to turn it down, so take it if it's free. Just keep it fresh, no matter where you be. Bounce on that 2 and 4, don't clap on that 1 and 3. You have your cappuccino, we on that cup of tea. Be rude to turn it down, so take it if it's free. Just keep it fresh, no matter where you be. Ladies in the place, put your hands up.
So fresh, so I wanna know if you're down. Cause if you are, then let that hair down, baby. I wanna know.
Oh, who are you? Derek Kisara, born and bred in North Shore, family from Mota'a.
North Shore?
And what do you do?
Do they have brown
I'm a
flowers over
teacher.
there?
They get to ACE, I'm a teacher. I got my BA degree, but also postgraduate diploma in music teaching. So, Birdwood School, Ranui, that's what I'm teaching.
And the most serious question I have to ask you.
Yes. What's this for?
This is for love, man. This is for love.
So you just gotta watch it at home.
Yeah, that's right.
Ah.
Yeah, but
I went worldwide.
It's gonna go on Facebook.
I want people in China to see this.
That's
I want
right.
people in, what's that island?
Which island?
Dominican Republic.
Whoa. There's a few Samoans there, man.
And
No,
when it's that Coney fella needs to see this.
We found him. We found him.
Coney!
We found him. We
Where
found
is he?
Where is he?
Cody, hold on, wait. TD Tyra there.
But no, the serious... It is hard work, brother. It is hard work. See you, Glenn. So, like,
serious.
the serious question that
Just
I really
eat it
want to
all
ask you, I just wanted to ask you is, when we have our celebrations as Pacific people, right? And then when we, like it's someone's birthday, then we go, hip hip, hooray, hip hip, right?
There's a hip hip
And they go hip hip, tiger, right? So, what I want to know is, how do we get this hip hip, hooray, and then buffalo? What does a buffalo sound like?
Yeah, you know, my Buffalo Soldier ways. We play rap, we play reggae.
Oh.
Buffalo Soldier, you know. But Buffalo Wings, like a chicken. Buffalo.
Hang on, you were in the ad a couple of years back. What was that man?
I still got the car. The one car. Freetown, no more Freetown.
No more.
Countdown now.
Oh,
They still got the down, but it's down. Oh no, it's down instead of town.
Countdown. Yeah, not
Yeah.
Countdown.
It used to be Food Town, but now it's Countdown. So at least they're both getting down in town.
You guys all show your age, man.
Oh.
Come on, man.
Are you some kid at school?
Free guys.